Welcome to another episode of Small Business Briefing. And today we have the privilege of interviewing Jim Delgado over at Shapiro, Delgado, Get Me Justice, personal injury attorneys in St. Petersburg, Palmetto, Bradenton, and Sarasota. Jim, we really appreciate your being here, and I would like to know, in your opinion, what should someone do after an accident?
Good question. What should I do after an accident? I pose you that the better question is what should I do to prepare for an accident? Let's just be honest. Nobody ever prepares for an accident. It's the last thing you want to do, right? You know, we buy our insurance, we drive, and nobody expects that they're going to be in an accident. That's just something we don't prepare for. But I tell you, if you just take 5 or 10 minutes to prepare for an accident, you'd be in a lot better hands. What do I mean by that? Most people don't know that in the state of Florida, they do not mandate liability insurance. So what does that mean to you? That means that person that just caused the accident, that just caused you to that your car is damaged, your car is totaled, you can't pick up your kids from soccer practice, you can't go to work with that car, that car might not carry any liability insurance, and he's completely within the law to not carry liability insurance. That's just the way, that's the state of Florida. So like I said, the better question is what do I do? So what you could do is purchase what's called uninsured motorists or underinsured motorists. Basically, it's a product the insurance company really doesn't want to sell you. As a matter of fact, anybody listening to this video right now, go and look at your policy. And if you don't have uninsured motorists, I can guarantee you that if you're going to look on your the full policy that you already signed, it's going to have a little box where you checked off that you rejected uninsured motorists. Yet, in my 20 years of practice, not one person has ever remembered rejecting uninsured motorists. Uninsured motorists is a product that protects you if that person does not have liability insurance. A stat that I found amazing is over a quarter of Florida drivers do not carry liability insurance. So that means your chances of somebody hitting you who doesn't carry it are 1 in 4. That's pretty high. So just go to the insurance company, ask for uninsured motorists. They're going to give you grief about buying it. Don't let them do that. You need uninsured motorist protection. You should never leave the responsibility of your health and your family in the hands of others. Always protect yourself.
Jim, thanks. It turns out I had the question backwards. It's really about your preparation. What should you do before an accident, in case you happen to be in an accident, to make sure you are protected? Great advice, Jim. We really appreciate it and look forward to talking to you again on Small Business Briefing.